Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna be playing some Don't Press the Button 4 with my cousin and me. We're just hopping right in. Get to the water. Get to the water. Get to the water. Get to the I didn't get to the water. And emyl says hello. So, you better say hello back. Stop the incoming balls by touching them. Okay, first off, no. Second off, suspicious. No! Oh. No! Oh, come on. You gotta be. No, that's not good. I mean, actually made that. That's crazy. Nobody's over here. Phew. Okay. We're good. Okay. Get this one. And this one. And this. No! Oh, man. Click the button. Tsunami? Uh-oh. That's not good. Go. Climb. The tsunami is right there. Why is there just a random stop there? Okay. Where do we go? No! Get up here! Quickly! I ran into there on purpose, guys. Yep. I ran into there on purpose. Okay, it's okay. Woohoo! I love dying. That is crazy. That is crazy that he did that. Quickly get. What is that? Ah! I didn't like that. Kill him. I wanted him to kill himself. Avoid being grilled. I can't be a grilled cheese. That means that's boiling hot. Which side is gonna be? Okay, that side is gonna be boiling hot. Then that means this side isn't gonna be. Oh god, it's gonna be boiling hot. Which side is gonna be boiling hot? Wait, no! Okay. This one. What is killing me? Huh? What killed me? It's rigged. Come on. It's something to kill me for nothing. A giant volcano. Watch out. I don't care about a giant. Face on! I died in about 2.5 seconds. Oh, no. No, we're gonna get camped on. Ow! Ow, what am I getting hit by? No, I'm getting help. Ah, help. No, there's too much. No. Oh my. Stop. Who put a wall? Wait, no. Ah, oh god. Okay, we're good. Get to the top? Okay, why do I need to get to the top? What is there that makes me want to get to the top? If there's water, then I'm... Uh-oh. Oh, you win if you get to the top? Okay, then I want to win. Yay, I win! I didn't win. I'm now mad. Can you stop trolling us, emyl? We get it. You have premium and you can throw bananas at us, but still, stop. Also, I can't even see the names. Now, at this point, I'm just gonna wait here. Click. Get ready. Get ready for what? Oh, don't touch the spikes. Okay. I'm gonna go insane. I'm gonna go. Help! Okay. I'm gonna go in between. Yep, I'm built different. Key. Whoops. That kills you? Huh. Oh, I didn't even see those. Ooh, that nice bit. Uh-oh. Okay. Stand in between. Okay. We're so good at this game. I can't imagine anybody that's better. We're so good at this game. Let's go. Nobody saw that. Fight? I don't want to fight. Bruh. How is he so tiny? How can he? How is he so tiny? How is he? I don't know what I'm saying. I guess I'll just eat this banana. Oh, I didn't mean sit on the banana. I meant die by the banana. Ah! Hurry, reach the end. Tsunami, face me. I can kill you better. Oh god, wait, no, I can rethink that. Tsunami, I'm so sorry. Can you please forgive me? I'll take that as a no. Go. Hey guys, wait for me! Tsunami, you are a massive L. L, you cannot kill me. Ah, it's swallowing my, it's swallowing it. Okay, jump. You are a L, you're a massive L. Woohoo! Oh, everybody was waiting for me. Get to the end without jumping. Oh, that's easy. Okay, that's not a... Did somebody just cheat by using the rainbow carpet? Somebody just cheated by using the rainbow carpet. How is everybody there at the same time? Please ask me. Okay. No! Ah! Who did that? Hey. Ow. Get me up. No! Climb! Oh my god, can I please get up this dang part? Bro, I'm so used to clicking space. I can't move. Come on. Hey, yeah. Okay. Start. Get ready. Snowball fight. Throw. Wait, this one shot. This 2 shots. Why is this guy targeting me? Such targeters. What is this? I'm destroying everything. Destroy. Oh, you see that white wall? Yeah, no, it's getting destroyed as well. Destroy. Man, destroying stuff is fun. Destroy. Let's go. Destroy. Ah, why is there's so much stuff? Avoid getting frozen. Get to the... Huh? I didn't understand. What do you do? Oh, when it starts getting blue. Okay. Wait. Go. Go. Ah! I'm still going for it. Wait. Go. Go. Ah! Oh, come on. That's happened twice. Wait, does that wall work? Gotta test it. Gotta test it out. Does this wall work? Please tell me it works. It doesn't work. Really? Okay. Just get under here. I'm under. How is everybody alive? I don't understand. Go. I'll go. How are you alive? I don't get it. Go. Go. Get over there! No! Okay. There we go. Run! We did it! Now I can... Okay. Why is there so much stuff? Wait, what? Giant black hole? I couldn't even see... What was that? Click. Hello? Thank you. Grab the correct color. I'll take this one. Oh, wait. It's this one. I hate this one. Ooh, what a nice little pin. Ah! Oh, okay. Good. Blue. Yes, okay, he got blue as well. Get ready. Teal! We got teal. Who doesn't have teal? I can't really tell. Oh, it's him. Wait, does everybody have teal? Everybody had teal. Purple! Or pink. Okay, that's purple. Wait, is that purple or pink? That looks like pink. Wait, no, that's magenta. Okay. Where is it? No. Well, baby, help! Oh, man. How is this guy alive? He doesn't even have the right color. No. He's dead. Rip. Massive rip. On your marks. 3, 2, 1, go! Da-da-da-da-da. What? Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Bro, they're just cheating! That's unfair. Go! Yes! Bro, everybody's just cheating now. I guess cheat by the correct pad. Looks like this one. It's not that one. No, I don't want to open my daily reward instantly. I don't even know what my daily reward... Wait, what the... Oh, it's back here! Oh, okay. Reach the bottom. Huh? What do you mean reach? Oh, it's one of these! I love these! Okay, we are going incredibly slow, though. Why are we going so slow? I can just go to sleep and then I turn... Never mind. Chocolate, lasers, more lasers. I can't see the lasers. Oh, that was close. Okay, now this will be... Now we'll do one more, then that'll actually be it for today's video. I'm gonna do a quick one since I don't know. I'm just gonna do a quick video real quick. Okay, I don't know why I said that, but okay, look, forget what I'm saying. But what are we supposed to be doing again? Don't fall off and avoid obstacles. Okay.